The error code UE on a Kenmore washer indicates an unbalanced load, which prevents the washer from spinning properly. This issue can be caused by overloading, underloading, or a tangled item in the washer, as well as the washer not being balanced on its feet. To fix the problem, start by inspecting the load. Open the washer's door and rearrange the items inside, as a tangled cloth item may be obstructing the spin basket. Check the size of the load, reducing the number of clothes if it's too full or adding a few more items if it's a single, unbalanced piece. Also, be mindful of the maximum recommended load size for the washer. Close the door and start another cycle, monitoring the washer to see if the issue resolves. If the problem persists, check the stability of the washer, ensuring it's standing on level ground, and adjust the feet as needed. If the error code still appears, it may indicate a control board issue, in which case it's recommended to contact a professional for further assistance.